Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change weather location in Windows 10 tutorial. So if you want to change weather location in Windows 10, so very easy. First click on Start, type here weather, setting icons, type here membership, and choice as you like. In my case, net and chat. That is. Click on home icon. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change weather location in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video workful or not. Thank you for watching.